Make natural body sugar wax for hair removal at home. The beauty you have makes you look more confident. Here, I am going to tell you that how you can make your own natural body sugar wax for hair removal. Having unwanted hair is exasperating. A beauty target of the women is to get rid of unwanted hair fast. Do you want to know that? How to make body sugar wax at home? How to make body sugar wax for hair removal? Here, I will share with you 2 different recipes to make soft and hard wax to get rid of unwanted hair naturally. Ingredients: 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of plain water, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Procedure: to make soft body sugar wax, take a container and add sugar, plain water, honey, and lemon juice in it. Mix all of these ingredients and then let the mixture boil on medium to high flame. Keep on stirring this mixture when it is boiling. Switch off the flame when it turns light golden in color. Take a bowl of water and add 1 tablespoon of this mixture into the bowl of water. Try to concentrate the mixture at one place. As the mixture gets concentrated in water, it is suitable to use as soft body sugar wax for hair removal. Keep some sugar mixture separate in a bowl for soft wax and let it cool. How to use: with the help of a butter knife or a spoon, apply soft wax to your body. Apply a thin layer of the wax. Take a hard paper and paste it on the wax. Rub your hand over the paper for 5 minutes and then pull off the paper. Pull the paper against the direction of hair growth. Clean your body portion with a water-soaked towel after this. Depending on the type of your unwanted hair, make body sugar wax for hair removal and say bye to unwanted ugly hair. The hard body wax is suitable for thick and hard hair. Make the wax right now and have a clean skin free from unwanted hair.